Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's reading is about um, are your in-laws happy with you, or they are comfortable with you? There are two piles over here, and which one you are attracted most, choose that pile. I'm going towards the pile number one. Those who choose the pile number one with this crystal Madhya Bindya, your first card is the word. They want to change something in you, they want to change something about you, about this relationship or about something. Okay, are they happy with you? I can't just understand it. I think they want to change something, and maybe they want to change you and want someone instead you, or they want you to change yourself, to change your some habits, to the way of talking or something. And King of Cups, yes, they are not happy with you, they don't love you, they are not giving their heart, their love, their attention to you. They are not happy with you, they want to change you, they want to change you, and it brings instead you something, someone new, someone else. King of Swords, and they are not able to do it, they can't do it, they are restricted, they have some problems that they can't do it. Maybe they think of others, uh, the society will, what will they say to them, or some, maybe someone is with you and they know that, so that's why they are not able to remove you from their life. And maybe they are doing something over here, they had done something over here, and they are waiting to have profit with it. They have done something bad to get you out of their life. And they want one more marriage with your husband or wife. They want their one more marriage, or they want to be win in this situation, they want you to get out from their life. Okay, I get that you and your life partner is happy with each other, they are happy with each other, they are, you both are desiring each other, and you are you are happy. Yes, you are happy. And there is someone, the devil person, they don't want you both to be happy with each other, they want you to be uh, uh, they want to do something bad to your relationship, and they have the mask on their face, they are not telling you, not realizing you that they are bad for you. And maybe they had done some black magic over you, you too, to be apart. Okay, and that person is very harmful person, they want to punish you, to I think that this is your love marriage, your person loves you, but your in-laws are not happy with it, they want you to leave them. And they I think they are going to addict their son or daughter so that they can leave you. Okay, and Nine of Pentacles. Okay, yes, definitely uh, they have all but they got all of the luxury, all of the happiness in their life, but they are not happy with it. I think they want someone else to be in their family, but your person choose you. And now I think it is also the possibility that this is you're not happy with this situation, because you um, you don't know that this will happen, this had happened to you, and you are not happy with the situation. Someone is with you, and they are talking to you, they are telling you that this is good, or maybe this is with your life partner. This person, the faceless person, is whispering in their ears that this person is not good for you. It's mean, yes, that you are not good for them, and leave them, you have someone else in your life, you are not good for them, something like that. And now your person is juggling. They don't know what is good, what is wrong, what is right and what is wrong, and they are um, confused in between you and them. Okay. Three of Pentacles. Okay, you need help. You need help to overcome that problem, and you need some friends to help you, and also you need more search about this situation. What are they doing, when are they doing, where are they going, who they are talking to, and on which topic they are talking to, what are they doing, all like this. Okay, give your relationship a chance. You also have to give your relationship a chance. This is also for you and for your life partner. You both have to give your relationship a chance, because you both are happy with each other, but they are not happy with you. Okay, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided take. Okay, you have to make the effort, you have to take the steps towards your life partner, towards your husband or wife, whoever he is or she is. Yes. Realize them that they love you, that you love them. This is good for your relationship. True love, this is the true love, this is the romance of lifetime. Don't let them go, don't let them leave you. You both are soulmate, you both are made for each other, you both are good for each other, loyal to each other. Look at the back of that card. A dog is delivering the parcel, bringing the parcel from somewhere, and the god is giving you the message that they are good to you. Okay, with this 30 card, you have to you pray a lot, and want help from god, from Allah, and create more love with your person, more happiness. Create something. Two little witches, magical space clearing time. Okay, you have to get away from all those who want you to be apart. Okay, sweep that persons out of your life. Let them go. Sheep, your person and you are the innocent persons. You both are having the energy of love, warmth, giving, caring. Okay, and don't leave that person. That person is good for you. Only try to lose that person, lose your in-laws. They are not good for you, they are making the troubles for you. Okay, and now I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, for you, those who choose the pile number 1, your first card is the prayer. Pray a lot to god, from Allah, for your situation. for your relationship. Okay, and with this card, be grateful for whoever comes because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Yes, be grateful that you got. Your person is good for you. Don't leave them. Okay, I am already telling you that your person is good for you, and thank Allah to that you have them. Okay, set a reasonable standard for what will accept from others and higher standard for yourself. Reasonable standard for what will accept from others. Okay. Okay. Yes. Don't think that others will do something good to you. It's upon to you that it's up to you that you have to what you have to do if you want to live with that person or if you want to leave that person because of them. Okay, and don't think about what they do to you. Just think that you have your person, the person you love, the person that love you. Okay, 80%, 98% of the time someone needs to ask you a question. They are recalling all the bad things you did. Okay, maybe you had done something bad to them, and that's why they are now in the situation what you are in now, because you done something bad to them. That's why they don't want you. They want to leave you. They want you to leave. And with this man, masculinity, power, strength, anger. Okay, they are now angry. Maybe some man in your in-laws or in your family, they are not happy with this situation, and they are using their strength and power to get you out of their lives. Our brains wander for about 30% of the day, and I think they are planning about it according to that time that is written in this slip. They are planning on it. Confidence is not they like me. Confidence is I will be fine if they don't. Yes, that's what you have to do now. I will be fine. You have to be fine. You have to think that you are fine. You will be fine if they don't. Have a confidence on yourself. You can do it. You can make it. Okay, what is this? Sigyn. This is Sigyn, Loki's wife. She always be with Loki till Magnus challenge Loki. Faithful wife of decide husband. Okay, you have to be a faithful wife. In this Sigyn's situation, her husband is not faithful, but your husband is good. I think that he is good for, and he is happy with you. Okay, Kawasai. A man created from the spirit of the peace. I think if you have got some child, then this situation will be coming towards the good, towards your good. Blue color. Uh, Connect to your higher spirits, connect to universe, and prayer a lot. Once again, the blue color. You are going to win this situation. You are going to win their hearts, but you have to pray a lot for it. You need a baby. The baby will win their heart, and you also need the help from God, from Allah. 11. Twin flame situation. That person is good for you. That person is he or she is love you. That's why they are restricted over here. They can't cut you from their life because your person is in love with you. They don't want to leave you. Okay, execute. Okay, I think your person is good, and um, they are the person who help others when they are in trouble, and you have to talk to them. This is good for your situation, that you have to talk to them, that what others are going to do with you, and what they are trying to do with you. And with this okay, this person, this devil person is also the trouble for itself. And if these numbers, number 2, number 18, or number 9, will it will important to you, something happen in these dates, or whenever you are seeing these numbers, something meaningful is happening. Okay, this person is doing something around these days. Okay, this is the this is what what all I got for you for my pile number 1. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, go and watch my previous video. And if you want to see my upcoming video, then you have to subscribe, and subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get my new videos at the time, and you surely can get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. We will see each other next time, and I am going towards the reading number 2. Okay, those who choose the pile number 2 with this blue color earring, your first card is your in-laws are giving you their heart, their love. They are caring about you, they are thinking about you, they are thinking of your comfort, your happiness. They are very much in love with you, they like you, they are very much happy you. 9 of Pentacles, yes, definitely they have a good desires for you. They are happy with you, they are spending the happiest time with you, and you are coming out of your bad time, or your in-laws are coming out of the bad times because of you. I think they in past they think that they are stuck over some situation, and due to you they are coming out of this situation. And 5 of Cups, they are no more weeping, they are no more crying over their problems, over their loss. They are happy now. I think something happened in their past, and I think they are afraid of you, that how will you treat them, how will you do to them, what will you do to them. And now when they know you, when they see that what you are doing to them, they are happy with you now. Okay, they don't want to break with you, they want you to take this situation as it is. They don't need this separation, divorce over here. Page of Pentacles, okay, they have nothing to worry about, or they have no one to think about. They are not thinking about any person or any bad things. Okay, Queen of Wands. Someone is still afraid of you, and they are watching at you, that if you are not going to do something bad to them. And definitely they are backstabbed, they are betrayed by someone, and now they are very careful. They are not taking any chance. They are very aware. They are very I think protective over here, that you don't do anything like that. And they are finding the way out of it. They are finding the way out of it. And yes, the fortune is with them, the faith is with them. And they are lucky over here to have you. And Nine of Wands, they are protecting themselves or protecting you from others. Yes, definitely they are protecting themselves, and they are protecting their thoughts also. They are defending themselves, defending whatever they done. Okay, retreat. They are still very unsafe. They are still feeling very unsafe. That's why they are not retreating with you, or they are not telling you their secrets. And with this separation card, they don't want this separation with you, because they know that you are good for them and passion. They really love you. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. This is for your in-laws, and they have to love you, and don't afraid of you. Okay, with this strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. They are still very afraid of that situation, that someone had betrayed them, someone had do something bad to them. Maybe this will happen because of your with your husband or wife, or with their some other child or siblings. And they are very very sad with this situation. Owl. Okay, you are very wise person, and please look after them, and let them come out of that situation, let them out of that sadness, that scary situation that they are afraid of. Okay, you are the wise person, so you can do it. Now I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, pile number 2, your first list is card is the person who tries to make everyone happy often ends up being the loneliest. Okay. Okay, don't be like that. Don't be feel like loneliest, but oh, I know. Oh, no, I get that. Okay, the situation is your person or your family want to make someone happy, and want to feel them comfort, and that's why and when they had left them, they are think that they are lonely. That's what happened to them. Okay, crossroads, do not know where to go, decision to make. Okay, this is the crossroad for you. If you want to heal them, you have to do you need a lot of strength, you need a lot of power to do it. Okay, a lot of willingness to do it. And if you want to leave them, then it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night, and when you move, fall like a thunder and bolt. Okay, don't tell them anything about what you have them in your mind. I think you are not bearing with them, and you want to leave, and that's why this card is for you. Then don't tell them that you are leaving them, and because they once again had a bad time in their life. Okay, and suddenly get out of that situation. You have to control your emotions, you have to control your desires, and your problems by your own. This is not the way to leave the person that they love you. Heal their problems also with your own problems. 11 number, your person is in love with you, they want to live with you, this is the twin flame number. This is a good number, and be determined to solve this problem, to solve their problems as well as your problem. Okay, don't leave them. Make your mind about that you have to solve their problems and your own problems. With this card, you have to be a strong person, and you don't have to break with them, you don't have to leave them. You have to be brave person. If someone wants to do some harm to you, then stand for your rights. And if they want you to change a little bit, then please change for them. That is not bad. Don't be brave, but just don't just change yourself for them. Okay, Ran, there is someone, or maybe this is your life partner, your husband or wife, or someone there who is going to control the storm of your life, who is going to help you in this situation. Maybe this reading is the help, the greatest help for you in this situation, that what you have to do, what will you do in this situation. Okay, connect to Allah, connect to the higher, your higher self, connect to universe, pray a lot for to help you, to show you the right way. You are finding the way. Now you are not happy with in this situation. I think that they had done something to you, and now you are not happy with in this situation. You want to leave them, and you want the way. The God is giving you the way in this reading. Okay, I think someone is not good in this situation. They want you to leave, and they are doing some bad things to you, but all of them are not bad. Or maybe at least your life partner is not bad, they are good with you. I think this is for you. INFJ, what's the rarest personality type? I for introversion, N for intuition, F for feelings, J for judgment. These are the okay. I think that you are the person who can help others in their situation, and you are not afraid of that. And you have feelings for others. You are a sensitive person. You are the judgmental person. You are the person who can give other the justice. And maybe you are some a lawyer or a judge, I think, and your intuitions are very high. You are going to know what others thinking of you, what others want to do to you, and you are a very wise, very intuitive person. So do whatever you think that is good for you in your situation, and but think that if they need your help, then please help them. This is good for you and them also. And you have the wheel of fortune for you. They love you, definitely. They are happy with you. They are coming out of their bad times. They are stuck in some bad situation, and someone had done bad to them, and they are also doing something bad to you. They are telling you that they are not good person. The person is telling you that they are not the good person, and they want you to leave them. I think so. If someone had done something bad to you, they are not the bad persons. So think thoroughly, and think about this situation, that what kind of person they are, what they want to do to you. Okay, you are a wise person with this owl card. And if you want to know more about your situation, this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to know my if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get my new videos at the time. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will meet each other other time.